Recently, I released a quick tip of the week talking about video testimonials. Well, today we're going to talk about when, where, and why. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Ty Turner here, and today we're going to talk about video testimonies, the when, the where, the why for your business. When do you need to get a video testimony? I often like to get video testimonials while I'm there filming. It's usually the last shot of the day. I already have gear. I already have everything set up. I don't want to do a second shoot if possible. Now, sometimes you may have to do a second shoot because of timing, and some clients just want to get the final result before they give you a testimonial. Some do, some don't. However, I like to try to get it on the day of the shoot. When we talk about the where, I like to get it at the location that I'm filming at, because normally I'm filming at the client's location, in their office, in their place of work, at their event. I like to get testimonials that are usually in the same atmosphere or energy of the video that I'm capturing.
Hi, I'm Scott Self with Sail with Scott, and I'm standing in front of the Seawolf. We're getting ready to go out on a sunset cruise. I'm here to thank Flashfilm Media for doing a fantastic job of doing a 2-minute video for us that has had over 80,000 views on the internet. But more importantly, it turned into over 11,000 tickets sold. So it not only got people to watch it, which is impressive, but it had a call to action where people actually turned into dollars and cents for me. I highly recommend Flashfilm Media if you want to turn your video into dollars and cents that affect your bottom line. That's the best I can do.
So why do you need video testimonials? That's a great question. And you need video testimonials to show value in what you offer and what you do. It's to help other people who are thinking about doing business with you, do business with you. I attach video testimonials to my proposals. I attach them in my emails. I send them out every chance I get. They're on all of my social media. They are on my website. I have specific testimonials for specific things that I do. And that helps you. That helps you land clients. That helps you set yourself apart from the competitor. Listen, when clients contact you about your services, they're not just contacting you. You have to get that out of your head. It's like dating these days. Whoever you talk to or meet, they're probably not just dating you. They're seeing what's available and they're going to make a decision based off the best results. So you have to understand that this is a very competitive market space. I mean, business is competition. It is the ultimate competition. So you have to make sure you do everything you can to show value so that you're not competing with price. And you want to make sure that you're doing things to set yourself apart from your competition. So again, the when is during the shoot. The where is at the location of the shoot, which hopefully is the client's office, workplace, or event. You want to show value in what you offer.
Our experience with Flashfilm Media has been outstanding. From the first time that we met with Ty, we knew that he had the experience and expertise that we were looking for. We gave him our ideas about how we wanted to improve our website with some various videos, and they were just incredibly helpful. We shot several videos of customer testimonials and also of employees, and it all came together just so smooth. It was much easier than we anticipated. It was a lot more fun than we thought it would be, and overall it was just a really great experience. We're really glad that we called Flashfilm Media.
So a lot of people say they don't know what to ask, what questions to ask in the testimonial. I can shoot one testimonial and make 3 videos about it. I'll give you a few tips on what to talk about on testimonials. Talk about the workflow. Talk about the process. Talk about what it was like working with your company. So speaking to the client and saying, hey, can you talk about what it was like working with Flashfilm Media? What it was like coming to us with an idea and going from that idea to the finished product, because you want to sell that to new clients, that the process is smooth, that everything flowed perfectly, that the client didn't really know what they wanted, but working with you helped them get a better understanding of what they wanted. A lot of people want photo and video, and they don't know the details of it like you do. And they may need help. They may need consultant help to help fix or mold their clay into a vase. They just know they want a vase, but they don't know how big of a vase, what color vase. Do they want a vase made out of clay? Is it out of glass? So having a client talking about, hey, I came to you and I didn't really know what I want and we got it figured out, is one of the best compliments you can get from a client. So 1 is workflow. 2 is why did they choose you? So give us an example on other companies you search for and why you chose us. That's 2 different videos, 2 completely different videos. 1 is at the beginning of your page talking about why they chose you. The second is the workflow. The second is the video I'd send with the proposal. Now that I have your attention and the client is saying, well, I looked at other guys. I wasn't really crazy about their price, or I wasn't really crazy about their quality, or you guys offer drone photography. You guys offer this, that, and the other. You guys offer cinema cameras over DSLRs. Whatever reason they chose you, that should be one of the first testimonials on your page, because other people who are looking to choose a company may see that and also choose you. So again, your first video is going to be the workflow, what it's like working with you. Your second video is going to be why did they choose you? Your third video normally is going to be the result of the video.
My name is Brett Costa. I am the owner of Complete Trailers. Up to a point, fairly recently, I was doing all of the marketing, all of the editing, photos, the video, everything on my own. And my business grew to a point where I just couldn't do it all anymore, and I really wanted to take it to the next level. I decided to seek out a videographer company. Every marketing dollar that we spend is really critical that we spend that in the correct way. And I think I can say to these guys, to Ty and Flashfilm, that I shopped the heck out of them. You know, they were like the 5th guy that I talked to. Flashfilm wasn't the cheapest out there, but the value in terms of the entire package, the customer service, and everything that I was receiving. So if your business is in need of social media or YouTube help and you want to take your videos to the next level and take your production to the next level, I highly recommend Flashfilm Media. You won't be disappointed.
Now, if you're filming on the same day of the shoot, this can often be difficult to get. If you ever have to go back, that's the perfect time to go back and get the result of that video. But the first 2 testimonials alone should help you land more clients. And it should help clients make a decision as to why they should work with you over someone else. That is the only goal of a video testimonial for your production company. You want to make people understand why they should do business with you over somebody else. And the more video testimonials you have, the more reputable you seem, the more value you seem to offer, and a better choice you seem to be for the client. And clients will spend more money if they feel more comfortable in doing business with you because you have more of a resume. So that's the goal and point of video testimonials. I usually edit a full version, which is under a minute and 20 seconds, under 2 minutes. I usually do a short version, which is a 60-second version for social media that I may use to advertise or marketing. And then I'll use that short version typically on the front page of my website, or I'll use a longer version in the stage where I'm sending out a proposal and I have clients' attention. I've hit them with a price, and now I want to reassure them that this price is worth paying when they're working with my company.
My name is Jessica Pumo. I am the Senior Director of Employee Brand Marketing with Massage Envy Franchising. And when we needed a company to capture testimonial video for award winners at our most recent conference, we needed somebody who would be fast, somebody who would be flexible, and somebody who was professional. This group asked all the right questions. They took all the right things into consideration, and from the first conversation, I felt completely comfortable knowing that we would get the footage that we need for the finished product that we want. So with us, agility is always key in managing conference. Schedules change, scope changes, and these guys rolled with the punches. When we realized there was a little miscommunication on my end and the shoot was on Monday, not Tuesday, these guys did not bat an eye. They were there, ready to roll on the right day at the right time, and we came away with some really great stuff. If you are in the market for testimonial videos, marketing shoot, whatever you need, talk to these guys. They will ask all the right questions. They'll get all the information that they need to make sure that you are beautifully set up for a shoot that will work with you, work with your clients, and get everyone the amazing footage that they need. Flashfilm Media are experts in execution, flexibility. You could call them flexecution masters. Give them a try. You won't be sorry you did.
So those are ways I use video testimonials to close deals, to bring in clients who are thinking about it, to close deals and make people feel comfortable spending money with the brand. You always want to be reassuringly expensive. If it's too cheap, people don't trust it. Plus, really cheap clients are the worst clients. They are the absolute worst clients to work with, period. They're terrible. It's not worth it. That's just, once you've been in the business a little bit, and those who've been in the business a little bit totally understand. The biggest checks I ever received, people were like, here, let me know when you're done. See you later. If you need something, I'm over here. The smallest checks I ever got was, hey, can we see that picture? Hey, can you go back to that other picture? Hey, can we look at that again? Hey, what you think? Oh, my hair is looking wrong. I need to go. Oh man, I got, nah, you got my bad side. You didn't get my good side. That I don't got time for that, bro. I just don't. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're looking to grow the business. Testimonials are a way to do it. And listen, business one-on-one is showing value. You do not want to be the low price guy. You cannot recover from that. I can offer you a $10,000 video and discount it to $200 and still do business with you. I cannot offer you a $200 video and then later find out that your budget was $10,000 and work my way up. It doesn't work like that. You never recover from being the cheap guy. So get price comparison out of your head. Stop trying to compete with price. People who compete with price are people who aren't good with business. And they don't usually last long because they don't make enough money to get the gear and do the marketing and the things they need to do to be sustainable in this industry. So it's not about cameras and all of that when you price it. It's about your ability to show value. That's why it's important that you have a great website. You have great video testimonials. You have great marketing. You have great, sometimes uniforms, sometimes appearance. You need to do things to show value. And just real quickly, an example that I often give people, or in some of the courses, if you're on some of the courses online, think about it like this. If I met you in the alley with a brand new 75-inch 8K TV, and I said, look, I came to you like this. Look at it. Hey, look, bro, I got this TV. You give me $1,000 and I'll let you get it. You'll be like, I don't know. I don't know. However, if I came to you like this, welcome to Best Buy. This TV is $3,000. Would you like to put it on your Best Buy credit card? You would say yes. Same TV. It's all about appearance. It's why Best Buy started killing Sears and Kmart. They started having, their lighting was dingy. Everything was dark. It was weird looking. And Best Buy just came in with a bright environment, all blue shirts, no commission, and guys that were just chippier and it was just about the appearance. They show more value. Their prices were not better than Kmart's and Sears and Circuit City and all them other companies that H.H. Gregg, wherever you're from, all those other companies that are no longer, in business. So you have to understand that business 101, sales 101 is showing value. And that is what companies like Mercedes-Benz, they do a little bit better than other companies. And it's kind of the reason why Ford has a Lincoln and a Mercury and a Ford. They have levels to it to show value at different levels for people who want more value, want more luxury.
Hi, my name is Peter Yawitz. Almost a year ago, I was looking for a videographer to help me with a new, exciting, funny, and practical advice series for YouTube and for my website. The reason I chose Ty really was because not only did he tell me about the technical information that he provided and all the details, but he had some ideas about where the series could go, and I wasn't even soliciting that, but he had some ideas about things that I hadn't thought about. And I thought, well, forget about price, forget about everything else. This is the guy I wanted to work with, and I'm very pleased that I did. Here's how I work with Ty. I send him scripts in advance to let him know what things I'm thinking about, where the humor is going to be, where the shots are going to be. So he's prepared when he shows up, and he's always very prepared. But he always comes prepared with additional ideas that I hadn't thought about. It could be lighting choices, it could be shot choices, and it even can be humor choices, because he has some great ideas about how things will play. So it's a great collaboration, and I'm proud to call him part of my team. If you're considering to do any kind of video project, that you hire them, because I can't believe anybody would be more professional than Ty and his team are. Always on time, always prepared, always with great ideas, and of course the quality speaks for itself. I would check out the website for his examples so you can see how professional he is. For more information about my project, I'd love for you to check out his work at my website, which is someoneelsesdad.com, or you can find us on our YouTube channel. Just search for Someone Else's Dad. The title of the whole project is Advice from Someone Else's Dad. You can see what a great job he did.
All right, guys. Hey, if you learned anything in this video, I'm going to ask that you give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. This is what we do here, and I will see you guys in the next video.